basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Pick boards 10 and 11 and attach the metal panels with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the round knob with the given screws using screwdriver to boards 10 and 11. Attach the hinges on both sides, up and down, of boards 10 and 11. Pick board 1 and attach the metal legs with the given screws using screwdriver. Make sure the metal legs are attached as shown. Carefully turn it upright. Pick board 2 and attach it to board 1. The smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Pick board 3 and attach it to board 1. The smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Pick board 4 and attach it to board 1. The smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Make sure the shelf support holes of board 3 and 4 are facing each other. The smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Slowly turn the unit as shown and tighten the 2, 3, 4, and 5 boards to board 1 with the given screws using screwdriver. Carefully turn the unit upright. Pick board 6 and attach the door magnets closer to the smooth side of the board. Place the board 6 flat on 2, 3, 4, and 5 boards. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 7 to board 6, and the Minifix housing is facing inwards. Attach board 7 to board 6, and the Minifix housing is facing inwards. Attach board 7 to board 6, and the Minifix housing is facing inwards. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Place the board 8 flat on board 7. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach the shelf support L plug on all 4 sides equally. Slowly tilt the board 9 and place it on the pins. Now attach boards 10 and 11 to the already fixed unit. Slightly tilt the board and first insert the bottom hinge, then slowly straighten the board, and the top hinge will be automatically inserted. Attach the backboards with the given screws using screwdriver. Your product is ready to use.